wala yung tao dito eh. For an investigation to start, it has to be, you have to have a sworn statement para ma-cross-examine ka, para ma-check yung mga ebidensya mo. And any judicial or other quasi-judicial bodies, even Congress, cannot start an investigation by a mere video. So, paano ko mag-iimbestiga kung wala yung tao dito? So, there's no specific instructions. And it's very clear from the start, no, sa pag-upo ni Speaker Boji, na we submitted to the jurisdiction of the ICI. And to the members that were mentioned na involved sa flood control, everybody submitted to ICI. Lahat sila nagpakita, lahat sila nagsubmit ng documents, lahat sila willing to be investigated. So that is a sign of, kumbaga, good faith on the part of the members of Congress. So, again, babalik tayo doon kung gusto niyang patunayan lahat yan. He has to come home and submit a sworn statement for any investigation doon sa mga allegations niya na imbestigahan ng kahit na anong body, even Congress.